Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to change currency on PayPal. Okay, so if you're watching this on your phone, your laptop, your tablet, your MacBook, or any other devices rather than the one I'm using right now, which is a computer or PC with the Windows OS running. So please stay on the video, all of you guys, because it's literally the same process, okay? So the first thing you want to do is open up your browser of your choice, even though I'm using Microsoft Edge. If you want to use Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, or even Safari, please do so. So that being said, I'm going to head over to PayPal right here, and then basically look on the PayPal balance. As you can see, it's zero out because this is going to be my dummy account. And then, as you can see in the bottom part, it has Philippine peso and US dollars. And both are zero because I already emptied this out for discussion purposes. And with this being said, to change the currency, first things first, you can calculate the currency here from Philippine peso to US dollars. That's how you do it. Or basically, this is the one you're looking for: how to change currency, right? You see these three lines right here, or three dots on the other currency rather than one that says primary, right? So as of now, my Philippine peso is the primary one. So to change it to US dollars, simply click on these three dots and make primary. If I click on that one, it will ask for confirmation if I want to use US dollars as a primary currency. And then, if I click set as primary, starting from now, my PayPal balance would be on US dollars. Okay? And that's how you change currency on PayPal. So thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.